उपग्रह भनेकै धरतीको आँखा आफू पर भई हामी धरतीमा भएकोलाई नजिक बनाई नपुग्ने ठाउँमा पनि हामीलाई पुगाई हाम्रो जीवनलाई सजिलो बनाई यो धरतीको आँखा उपग्रह Namaste everyone. Introducing myself, I am B. Chandrakamti, the student of grade 12 of Dhanusa Science Campus. I am 18 years old and I am from Janakpur Dham. Here is me presenting my video for the online speech competition organized by Nepal Astronomical Society organization. The theme of my speech is Satellite Improves Life. I am starting my speech with a question. What is actually a satellite? An artificial body placed in orbit around the Earth or Moon or any other planet in order to collect the information or for the communication use. Satellites are launched as per our requirements. It can even of the very smaller size or a huge size depending on the purpose of the launching. Mainly satellite is of two types. That is a natural satellite and the artificial one. We already knew about the moon, the only one natural satellite of the planet. Let's talk about the artificial one. How actually this brings a great change and improvement in our day-to-day life. On 4th October 1957, the Soviet Union launched the world's first artificial satellite Sputnik 1. Since then, about 8,900 satellites from more than 40 countries have been launched. Satellites are launched for many purposes like communication, weather forecast, TV broadcast, GPS tracking, radio broadcasting, security surveillance, Earth observation, navigation, and many more. Without satellite, life in our modern world would be inconceivable. Satellites determine our everyday lives, from presenting a view of the Earth to a simple once-again missed call through the internet. It makes us possible such things that the earlier generation could not even dreamed of. In last 10 to 20 years, this brings a huge change in every sector. It makes us possible to see not only in day but also in the night. We even can look through the clouds. In other words, we have got our worlds under control. Satellites are among mankind's greatest inventions and influence everything. Satellite not only determines everyday life in the modern world, but they also keep a watchful eye on our planet. Since changing weather either by the humans or nature are observed by the eyes in the space. Yeah, forecasting a weather through a satellite is one of the greatest applications. It prevents us from different types of heavy rain, hurricanes, storm, etc. This is a single thing which can save so many lives. Yeah. Now imagine this is how useful to us. A few generations ago, people are not even dreamed of forecasting or communicating like that we are practicing right now. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's come to the communication field too. Satellites brings a great change in the communication sector. It allows us to connect remote assets. In other words, we can able to grab the data and the informations of the places even where the foot of the man is quite impossible to reach. It helps in transforming transportation infrastructure too. It allows us to connect the entire world just by sitting in just four single wall room. Satellites brings internet for us, and I should not have to tell the importance of internet, right? We are being using internet and consuming internet so much from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. We are just enjoying the internet. We are even getting the knowledge. We are even getting the education. We are even getting attending our classes through the internet. Not only this, satellites even helps the scientists in Earth observations. In other words, satellites sends all the data needed by the researchers to research on our planet. Yeah, Earth observation through the satellites offers different practical applications of weather, agriculture, or dealing with the catastrophes. Earth observation. We cannot observe everything from our house. Yeah, and there's no doubt that was one motivation for putting the satellites to the military for the security use. GPS satellites guide us along our roads, and in the future this will also happen autonomously. Yeah. The Earth is a living structure which is constantly changing. Satellites provides 3D model data to the scientists. Even satellite is useful for the data which is necessary for the planes and the submarines to travel in the air and the inside water. At last, I'm concluding that yeah, satellite improves life. All the above statements clearly proving that the satellite is the best innovation of the mankind and for the humanity. And I'm thanking the NASA to providing this great opportunity. Thank you so much, NASA.